Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and I am in the beautiful Melli area. Today I'm going to visit that cave up there, which is cave of Zamberat, if I'm saying it correctly. This cave has something interesting in it, which I will show you later. I don't think it's going to be hard to get to the cave. It looks big, more bigger than I thought, and I think it's going to be very interesting. So now let's start heading up there. Here I think there's a path going up to this cave here. It looks very big, compared to what I thought it could be. Here is the Melliha bypass, and that's Adira, and this Devil's farmhouse. But today I'm going to go to that cave up there. As always, I need to thank Zoleo for sponsoring another vlog. Actually, they are sponsoring all 2024, which I thank them from here, and makes my life safer everywhere I go. And also I'm testing their cradle, which I'm finding it very good, better than dangling here. The views are amazing from here. We are just 400 meters away maximum, so very close. Although hopefully the cave is more structurally sound than that farmhouse there. Let me see something. And as usual, here in Malta, we always find pottery. Unfortunately, broken pottery. And here we found the cave. This is the cave from outside, looking the Devil's farmhouse up there. And if you can see like this, you can see like angry eyes looking out. But that's not the feature that I wanted to show you. Look how nice and it is here. It's a fairly large cave. Here you can see somebody. There was some like carvings, maybe for water. Who knows? But now I have to show you that feature that I told you about. Which was, it's a face carved into the rock, which is very iconic and looks very eerie. To tell you the truth, I already been looking around and I cannot find it. I cannot find that face. That should be somewhere here. I cannot find it. Hope it's only me that I cannot find the face, not that it has been vandalized. What I will do, I will contact the person, Chantel Kassar, who I saw the photos of here of 2 years ago, and maybe she can guide me where it is, but it should be somewhere like here. I cannot see it. But even the views, and like this, you can have the view from the cave and the Devil's farmhouse. But let's keep looking. Maybe I cannot see it. Have to say, right now, I'm very pissed off and disappointed, because there was a feature here that I wish to show you, that somebody had the guts to destroy. Here, about 2 years ago, I saw photos from Chantel Kassar, who used to go to these places, with a face of a statue. It was an eerie face. I will put her photo on the screen. after going everywhere here and asking her information, and from her photo you can see this hole here. So the face must have been in this freshly area here. And somebody had the guts to destroy a feature like this. I'm speechless. I'm really speechless. I was very enjoying myself, but seeing people do this crazy things, I don't know. Well, how did this? What did you take out of this? Take that part with you at home. These things are crazy. What people do here. Even if you see fire pits here, why don't you leave no trace? And leave no trace means even not destroying uh, icons like this. That's really crazy. From the photos you can see how nice and iconic it was. It was exactly looking up on the devil's farmhouse from here, if I can show you from here. I am really pissed off about this. It's crazy, yeah? It's a very nice cave, but to ruin it like this, what a shame, yeah, come on. We should be better than this, huh? I'm really annoyed with this, huh? Because this was the feature people come here to see, yeah? And somebody destroyed it for what? For nothing, yeah? Who did this should be ashamed of himself, huh? It's a pity because it was here, let me show you better. If you will see the photo that Chantal posted, you can see clearly that hole here. And the face was here. So I thought maybe it fall down. I checked everywhere here. In this debris maybe I can find it. Which I don't think is the case, eh? But you can see this part here. Somebody like chiseled it off, eh? What a shame, eh? I don't know why. But I think that's the place, and I checked a lot of photos and videos she had on her TikTok and Facebook, but you can see it. So unfortunately, I cannot show you the feature that was here. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Although me, I was enjoying this vlog, and at the end I'm really pissed off that people do such things. It's a very beautiful cave, and that part there. Until next time, bye bye. Yeah? And remember that only 20% of you who watch my videos subscribe. Please subscribe, and you can also follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. Pierre Farrugia Malta. Bye. Crazy, yeah.